Hi everyone, my name is Pawan. Today I'm going to tell you about the institute where I've joined to learn some software course, which is VCUBE Software Solutions. I majorly, while I'm searching in my Google or browser, whatever it might be, while I'm searching for a good institute, better institute to learn any software course in Hyderabad, I came to know about the VCUBE Software Solutions. So I called, like there is one helpline number. I called to that particular number and they shared me all the details. Before that prior joining, I just visited the office one time and they showed up. They gave me all the briefings like demo class and everything, what is the pattern and how they are going to make us to a good job seeker in software field with various backgrounds. So I chose as a Python full stack because basically I'm from mechanical engineering background where I don't have any kind of touch or any knowledge about programming languages. So I chose for Python full stack. In Python full stack, our trainer named as Mr. Srinivas, he had best like 13 plus years of experience in this particular field. So as of now, his teaching is good. I just checked some reviews of the past batches. There are so many students who already got joined or well placed in good organizations such as CT, Cognizant Technology Solutions, and some other companies like TCS, Wipro, some other companies. Whatever the doubt I got, I simply ping him in through my messaging list. He'll reply me immediately as soon as possible. Python basics to the core and advanced. Later they are going with full stack like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. When it came to Python, they are teaching some other things like Django, Flask, NumPy, Pandas, and everything. As per my specialization, as per my convenience, I choose for Python full stack. And while comparing to other market scenarios, the structure and everything, this particular institute is providing not only for Python, they are providing some labs to practice and everything, and other thing is they are providing good soft skills trainer from Chennai. She is one of an Asia's top 100 influential women. Our trainer is. She is teaching us this particular soft skills very fluently from A to Z, from beginning to everything. Like now I am speaking in front of you because of her only. So like earlier I had a fear to speak in front of Kem. That's one of achievement I've made in the past 15 days. I just joined 15 days ago. That's the thing. For Python, apart from that, after joining, they'll conduct every weekly. There is a weekly test, mock interview. They'll record the videos in front of us only, what we are saying to the interviewer in real time scenario. They are providing like aptitude classes. So many flexible facilities providing by VCUBE. When compared to other market scenarios, like the strength of the class will be like limited only, like 30. From these credentials, they are providing 100% placement assistance. There are like bulk number of openings in the market. They are guiding how to approach to the particular job market, how you can perform in that particular interview, like that. The completion of the class, within 1 or 2 hours, they'll provide you the recorded class, which is happening on the same day. In the same day, they'll send you through your links. Thank you, my trainer, which is Srinivas sir. Uncle Rao sir, he is very helpful for the student. Like he's providing every facilities, whatever the student wants. Apart from that, he arranged a particular team only for placements. Like wherever the openings are available, the particular placement team will inquire and will guide, especially VCUBE students for the first preference to attend that particular interviews, and everything was they are doing from their end. Particular person who helped me to join here named as Sham ma'am. And thank you VCUBE for providing this opportunity. Thank you. All the best everyone.